Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show how to connect your TradingView account to your brokerage. So this is going to allow you to place trades directly on TradingView. I'm going to show you how to do it on your desktop computer and your mobile device. So starting with the on your desktop, uh, if you're on your computer, you want to go down to the bottom of the screen once you're, on your chart panel, where you could pull up your watch list and view a chart of any tradable asset. You go down to the bottom of the screen here that says Trading Panel, and in my case, I use Interactive Brokers to trade with. So I just click on it, Interactive Brokers. I guess there's some maintenance for it, but whatever. I never got that message before. But once you find your broker, and after you click the connect button, you just are going to need to input your username and password. So to protect my account, I'm going to skip through this part. All right, guys. So you're going to need to know your login information if you want to connect your brokerage to TradingView. If you forgot your login information, you probably have bigger issues at hand. But there is a two-factor, or I don't know what it's called, two-factor authorization. You're going to need your phone to connect. Like once I put in my login information to connect my trading account to TradingView, I got a push notification on my Interactive Brokers app on my phone, and once I approve the notification, okay, that's all you got to do. As you can see, it has my account value in this top corner right here. And you could go ahead and start submitting orders into the marketplace if you want to now on TradingView. Okay, you can just click the buy and sell button right here, and it'll, you know, you could put in your take profits, your stop losses, your limit orders, your stop orders. You can do that all on TradingView now. So there's a lot of advantages. You can trade on your charting platform, but that's how to connect. Now, one thing to note is that only one of your TradingView accounts can be connected to a broker at a time. So, well, what I mean by that is since my computer is connected to my trading account through TradingView, my phone cannot be connected to my broker account through TradingView, and vice versa. So if you connect to TradingView on your phone, you can't, you have to disconnect your account on your phone to be able to connect on your laptop. Okay, so only one device can be connected at a certain time. So since my laptop is connected right now, I'm going to connect to TradingView on my phone. And when I connect to my phone, okay, I'm going to get a message on my computer that says another session is trying to log into TradingView. Please disconnect. So yeah, only one device can be connected to your TradingView account. All right, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect to TradingView on your phone. So of course, the first step is to pull up your TradingView account on your phone. Okay. Then once you're on your TradingView app, on the bottom part of the screen, you click on Charts, so that you can view your chart. And then you just go ahead and click one of the buy and sell buttons in the top left corner of the screen. This will give you a similar screen to when you clicked Trading Panel on your desktop. And from there you just go ahead and find your broker. It lists all the brokers that TradingView is compatible with. And so you follow a similar process. I'm going to go ahead and skip out the part where I'm putting in my login information here. Okay, the process is similar. You just put in your username and password into your trading account. And just like that, um, your account's connected.